Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
A sample of drinking water was found to be severely contaminated with chloroform, supposed to be a carcinogen. The level of contamination was 15 parts per million. Express this in percentage by mass. That is the first question. Okay, we can try that. 15 ppm chloroform means 15 parts of chloroform dissolved in 1 million 10 raised to 6 parts of water. Correct, right? Here solvent is water. Correct. Or you can read this like 15 milligram of chloroform dissolved in 10 raised to 6 milligram of water. Now you can find the mass percentage very easily. What is the equation? Equation is mass percentage is equal to mass of chloroform. What is mass of chloroform? See, it is 15 mg, right? So 15 by total mass of water and chloroform. Water it is 10 raised to 6 and chloroform it is 15. Correct? Water it is 10 raised to 6 and chloroform it is 16. Now into what? Into 100 percentage, right? On numerator we have 15. If you check denominator, you can see two numbers. One is 10 raised to 6 means 1 million, huge number. Then 15, a very small number. So when you add a huge number and a small number, we can ignore the small number, right? So I am ignoring 15. So 10 raised to 6 into 100 percentage. On calculating, you will get what? 15 into 10 raised to minus 4 percentage. So that is our answer for the first question. Now we can do the second question. Determine the molality of chloroform in the water sample. See here what we wrote. 15 mg of chloroform dissolved in 10 raised to 6 milligram of water. So can I write like this? 15 gram of chloroform can dissolve in what? Dissolve in 10 raised to 6 gram of water. Correct, right? Okay. Now what is molality? By definition, molality small m is equal to number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. That all of you know, right? What is NB here? NB represent number of moles of solute, which is equal to mass of solute by molar mass of solute into mass of solvent, this one, okay, in kilogram. For chloroform, what is the molar mass? Chloroform is CHCl₃. So carbon is 12, hydrogen is 1, and for chlorine, 3 chlorine is there, and atomic mass of the chlorine is 35.5. On adding, you will get 119.5. Now substitute the values. What is WB? 15. Correct? What is MB? 119.5. Now what is mass of solvent? It is 10 raised to 6 gram. You have to convert to kilogram. So into 10 raised to minus 3. On calculating, you will get 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 4. And what is the unit? Mole per kg. So we got the answer, right?